Oh, hi guys, how you guys are doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another tutorial video, and in today's video we will be adding Rich Snippet in our Shopify products without using any paid app. So we will be using a free Shopify app in order to get better SEO ranking and by adding the Rich Snippet on our products. If you don't know what Rich Snippet is, check out the screenshot here. So this is one of our client website where we added Rich Snippet using free Shopify app, which resulted in better Google ranking and leads to more sales. So if you want to learn, stick to the end of the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel, comment the video below so I can create more valuable content for you guys. So let's jump into the tutorial. Guys, let me first explain you what Rich Snippet is. So for example, this is a Shopify store and that's the product page. And when we check out this product page on Google, we see these star ratings, which I'm referring to as Rich Snippet. And this is a JSON code which is implemented on the Shopify store backend to tell Google that this product have this amount of rating and it has 5 stars or whatever the stars are in the product. So these are the reviews of the products, and we will be adding a Shopify app to have this functionality on our products, and once done we'll submit the product on Search Console to show up, to display these ratings. So we recently created a website for our client, a Shopify store, and that's the Shopify store. I already created a video on how you can optimize on-page ranking for Shopify store. So you can check out this video here where you will see how to add meta title and meta description for products, for pages, and use the Facebook debugger tool to display it well on the Facebook wall. Now let's try adding a Shopify a Rich Snippet. So if I go to the products, for now they don't have that feature. So that's the product, that's the one of the product. And when I search it on Google, oops. So that's the result of the Google search for this product. As you can see the difference. So this product is a little more attractive due to the star ratings which it has. And this one is a little low because it's not visible. The color is same gray color, and here we have like yellow color star rating showing up. So we'll be adding the same functionality on this website here, and I'll walk you through step by step on how you can do this using free Shopify app. So stick to the end of the tutorial so you will be able to achieve that really quick. So that's the store where we'll be adding that feature. Let's go to the backend. And from the backend, let's click on apps. And from there, I'll install a new app. Now click on customize your store from the app section. And now you see that it's asking us to search the app, which one you want to install. Now I'll search for Judme product reviews. And here's the Shopify app which we will be installing. As you can see, free plan is available. It's not a paid app. We can use it for free and have this feature. Now click on that. And after that, click on add app. Once you click on add app, it will ask you for permission. You will need to click on install app. And here we go. Our installation page is showing up. Now there are two options. If you are a developer yourself, you can add the review display code on your own theme by adding the liquid file. and the other thing is they'll install that on their own without you needing to edit the code. So I'll just select this one as I want you guys to learn it without doing any code editing. So click on start installation, and now it's asking for the location where and how you want to display your reviews in the product page. Okay, I'll select all these three and click next. Now it's asking for which theme you are looking to install it on. I'll select the current live theme which I have. So click on install Judme now. By the way, I have Dawn theme installed, which is the latest Shopify 2.0, and there we are installing the Judme product review app to install the Rich Snippet. Yes, looks great. Just click on that. So it on the previous screen it shows us how the request reviews will look like, and we just click on move forward, and here we have our review app installed. Now if I go to the front end of the store, and click on any of the product, we are seeing here the reviews, the star reviews. And now let's submit a test review. So I'll just add my own name for now. So again, this review is for testing purposes of how we can show these reviews to Google. And let's hit submit review after adding the review. And now let's refresh. Okay, now it will go to the approval on the back end. We'll have to approve it from the app where we install it. And just refresh the app section, the Judme product review app. As you can see, it's showing up that there is one review which is received. Now click on reviews here, and here we have review showing up. I'll click on publish, and now when I go to the product page and hit refresh, I'm seeing the star ratings here and the product review here. Now, in order to tell Google that it's a review on our product, we'll have to go to Google Search Console. If you don't know about Google Search Console, I have created a detailed tutorial on how you can submit your website to Google Search Console. So I'll add the link on the description below. For now, I'll just go to the Search Console because I already have created a property in Search Console for that website. Now I'll search for the website. There's the website. And now let's copy the product URL and paste it here. Click enter. Push enter, sorry. And it will take a little while to show how the product is being displayed. Now click on test live URL because it's showing up the old inspection. Now we will click on test live URL. It will take a while, and here we have our product showing up. Now as you can see, it's showing up review snippets, but it's showing exclamation mark, means there's an issue with that. Now let's click on that and find out what's the issue. Okay, so as you can see in Search Console that it's detecting one review, and the aggregate rating JSON format has been showing up, and item reviewed. Okay guys, so issue with review snippet has been resolved. As you can see, I did a new test in our Search Console with the URL where we added a review, and the issue has been resolved now. So this is a known issue with the Judme product review Shopify app. So if you Google out missing field aggregate rating product reviews Judme, so that's the thread which I followed to solve the issue, and all you need to do is just go to judge.me and chat with their support team to fix the issue. They fixed my issue within like 30 minutes, so I had to pause the video and resolve the issue with a Rich Snippet in order to submit it to Google. So today is 16 December 2021. There is a known issue with Judme product reviews where there was an error in review snippet like this, missing field item reviewed. So if you are having an issue like that, you can resolve it by contacting support, and once they fix your issue, they already have the access to your Shopify store because you installed the app. You can also add them on the staff access. There's no need to worry about that. Just add them on staff and they will be able to fix the issue. So if you get missing field item reviewed issue after installing this app, you can just contact their support and they'll be able to fix. As you can see, I already fixed the issue and we have our review snippet working fine. Now there is one valid item with warnings. So warning means that it's an optional field which is not an issue. So here you can see 5 warnings, but all of these are optional. When you see an invalid or the red exclamation mark, means that Google will not update your indexing and it will keep displaying the old product page. But if you are having warnings, then Google will update your product page on their indexing. So I'll just hit request indexing. And here we go. Our product is submitted on a priority crawl queue, and once our product has been crawled, we will get our review stars on Google search. So for now it's looking up like that, but once it's being indexed, we will have star rating showing up. Guys, after almost 2 weeks after submitting the URL to Search Console multiple times, we finally got our star rating showing up on Google search. So here it is. So when we search our URL, we have the star rating showing up. The review which I added is now showing up on Google. Now if we collect more reviews from our clients, we will need to submit our URL to Search Console again, because currently our website is not getting much traffic, so we'll have to manually submit it for re-indexing. So I hope you guys like this video. If it helps you in any way, please subscribe my channel, comment on the video below so I can create more valuable content for you guys. Have a great day.